Hello friends, आज की वीडियो में आप सीखोगे top 7 best flower plants और उनकी easy care tips. Number 7. Rose, almost sabko pasand. 5 to 6 hours sunlight, regular watering, time to time pruning for healthy growth and more blooms. Number 6. Marigold genda, bahut easy to grow, full sunlight, remove dry flowers to encourage new blooms. Number 5. Hibiscus, large colorful flowers, needs regular watering and organic fertilizer, thrives in direct sunlight. Number 4. Jasmine, Mogra. Famous for fragrance, moderate watering, good sunlight, proper pruning makes it bushy. Number 3. Bougainvillea. Low care, needs little water, colors brighten in full sun. Number 2. Petunia. Perfect for balconies and hanging pots, regular sunlight, light watering, deadhead for more blooms. Number 1. Sunflower. Bright, energetic, full sun, proper watering, use good quality soil. Aapko kaun sa pasand? Comment करें, like, share, or subscribe. Thanks for watching.